My concern is, will this super spreader, massive corona bomb kind of event happening not make things worse? We are already collapsing on a health infrastructure, and tomorrow you want a third wave to hit Delhi. Pankaj, can you not take a principled position that Rakesh Tikait and all of you who are standing there with him, all these thousands of people being sent from Congress-ruled Punjab, go back? For the sake, who will take responsibility if there's a third wave in Delhi? You tell me. Will Yogendra Yadav take responsibility? Has Yogendra Yadav issued one statement on the possibility of COVID explosion because of the Tikri event? Or are we not supposed to talk about these questions? Do you not worry about it? Is there a guarantee it won't get worse? I'm telling you, it will get worse if this Tikri event carries on. You people didn't listen to me when I said Shaheen Bagh is also dangerous in a time of COVID. No, I want him to answer. I want everybody who's supporting the super spreader event to answer. You know, now we are having a tough time getting the oxygen supplies for Delhi. You tell me one thing. Suppose...
Farmers are the super spreaders. Farmers are the super spreaders.
For God's sake, that virus does not discriminate between people's occupations. You're being silly.
Election rallies.
Oh, so my God.
Are we not witnessing our Prime Minister cracking jokes?
This is a permanent trend. Okay, Gaurav will listen. Gaurav. So you won't, right? Okay.
People are crying. They are screaming for help.
Let me
And
play
my
some
Prime
facts.
Minister is laughing. He's singing.
Can you be quiet now? Arnab, please,
What is
can
all
we get
this?
uninterrupted time? Or are we here to shout and heckle or get heckled? Please.
First you answer the
I will answer
question
if you
raised
be
by
quiet,
Atishi.
Mister. Mister,
What
whoever you
Haryana
are,
government is doing,
the
Mr.
unofficial
Gaurav Bhatia.
spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, please be quiet and take the answer if you have the courage to listen to the answer. Okay? I will tell you, the truck that you were talking about was stopped at the border. And after the central government's intervention, the supply to Delhi was made. And do you know where this supply comes from? Arnab, this fact everyone should know. How the central government is ensuring that every state gets a quota if there is no discrimination. This comes from Haryana, and the capacity is 240 metric ton a day, out of which Delhi will get 105 and Punjab 20 and Haryana 108. So, sir, I must tell you, the oxygen that is being produced in Haryana is being supplied to Delhi. Do you know why? Because we have a Prime Minister who cares for everyone. Now, second, ये डकैत नहीं, ये टिकैत नहीं, डकैत है. मैं क्यों कहता हूँ मालूम है? आपको हैवान और राक्षस नहीं दिखाई देंगे, लेकिन इनको आप बीच में नहीं बोलिए. आप में नहीं है सर, आपको नहीं कह रहा हूँ मैं, आपको नहीं कह रहा, आप चुप हो जाइए. आपको नहीं कह रहा, आप चुप होइए. मैं दूसरा पॉइंट कर रहा हूँ. बीच में इंटरप्ट मत करिए. You know, they were talking about repealing the acts. Arnab, they forget. The 3 acts have been stayed by the Supreme Court. When the acts are stayed, then why are they protesting? Second, why are they protesting on public road? The Supreme Court has said there is no right to protest on public road. Third, टिकैत ने खुद तो टीका लगवा लिया. इन लोगों की कोई चिंता नहीं है. Fourth, ये लोग, these people are not human beings. They don't care for anybody. Because टिकैत today said, दिल्ली की बीमारी हम घर लेके क्यों जाए?
झूठ तो बोलेंगे.
झूठी प्रियंका वाड्रा की प्रवक्ता प्रियंका वाड्रा को जाके कहिएगा माफी मांगे. केवल नकारात्मक राजनीति. What has Maharashtra done? 60,000 deaths in Maharashtra, the unfortunate deaths. The central government is ensuring all the support to Maharashtra. आप तो वसूली कर रहे हैं. वसूली कर रहे हैं. शर्म नहीं आती आपको? Chief Minister Relief Fund मिला more than 750 crores. Ask them, Arnab, can they answer how they utilize the CM
No, I
Relief
have
Fund? They will not be able to
I have
answer. बताइए, चलिए बताइए. I give you the time. 750 crores to Maharashtra. Tell us.
Should give the solution. Where is he?
I will give the answer. For PM Care Fund, 2,000 crores for ventilator, 1,000 crores for migrant laborers.
Why doesn't he communicate?
Hospitals for
Why does he
COVID
want
and other
everything
hospitals with
centralized to
captive
himself?
oxygen plants.
You have already passed the
Everybody
buck.
needs to be together. But the Prime Minister divided the country. So we are divided to the states.
Gaurav and Ketan.
They have not
The
even
center is
utilized
fighting with the
25% of that.
No, I'd like to step in. I'd like to step in. You see, I'd like to step in and of course